Hello members, welcome back again at Kawanji Shaban 3154 YouTube channel. Today we're going to be carrying out a cement test. This cement test is called compression fracture strength, and we are going to be carrying out according to BS standard EN 933. Actually in this test we're going to be carrying out we should be doing the last stage of compression strength of cement. So in this test we are working with members, as you can see here on the camera, Mr. Rangajime. Another one is called Mr. Joel, Madira Joel, and some of the machines we're going to use a weighing balance. Here you can see the weighing balance with the briquettes arranged 3 numbers. So the weighing balance, the briquettes, then the cement machine. You can see it here. This is a universal testing machine for both compression and fracture. Basically today it's what you're going to be looking at. So we can jump straight away into the test. Yes, Mr. Jimmy. So we have the 3 briquettes. You can see them, yeah? Here. Usually we prepare 3 sets. Each set consisting of 3 briquettes. So why we do 3 sets is that, according to the standard we are using, we are supposed to crush the 3 briquettes. The first set at 2 days, the second set at 7 days, at the third set at 28 days, and each stage monitoring the strength, both fracture and compression strength of the cement briquettes. So today we're going to crush these 3 briquettes that have been prepared and chewered for 28 days, and so we can start straight away. So first of all, we're going to first make sure can bring the root please. We're going to we shall have to first clean our briquettes. Make sure they are free from any spores, any foreign particles, because this will result into the underrating the irregularities of our results. I mean, like when you're pressing them onto the machine, they may not make our briquettes straight enough, and that could bring about those irregularities within our results. So first of all, we're going to weigh this briquette. After weighing the briquette, we shall
0.57. 0.57.
This is our weight. In our ATM machine, you can see the whole of it. This is our ATM machine for testing cement. This part is for taking reading. The other part, this is where actually the testing takes place. So we're going to put our briquette straight, horizontally straight. Put it into the machine. This is what was tested one time. And remove it. Make sure it is straight enough and horizontal. Then, after setting it well, we are supposed to close, but for learning purposes, let's keep it open to keep on monitoring how the crushing is going to take place. So, coming this side, we're going to start the testing with the machine, because I told you this is a digital machine. So immediately we're going to start the testing. So we're going to change the reference number, or put in a reference number. Right now we are in 135. We are crushing Portland cement, 28 days. Then our class of cement is we're actually using 42. We are using 42.5 N, and then yeah, this is our mold is 40 by 40, then by 160, so we can maintain that. We're going to do 3 briquettes, that's why I'm leaving 3. Then we can tear and start. We can start the testing. So let's go. So you see, when you start the testing, your machine starts, the pump will begin. So you can see the mold is moving up. So until it gets in touch with this, then it will start crushing. You hear the sound. Make it closer. You hear the sound. After it has made that sound, means the specimen has reached its point of failure. So it will break. After breaking, the machine will go back down, because the specimen has reached its point of failure. So that's its maximum strength it can produce for that given force. Then coming this side, what the machine is going to give us, that's the crushing force, which is 231, which is 2311.74, and at a fracture strength of 5.4 MPa. After crushing for flexure strength, okay. After crushing for flexure strength, we are going to print. Yeah, this is the graph now. The output. This is the graph for the flexure strength that the machine can produce for that given specimen. So we can save it in our computer. This is you can put it under reference number that. So you can save it under that as flexure -AA. So that is flexure, the flexure part. That's how we test and get the flexure strength our specimen. So now we shall go back and after having crushed, you see, when you crush your fracture specimen for the fracture strength, it's going to break into equal parts. It will break into equal parts. So for compression, if you want to get the compression of this specimen, you're going to test each part that has been broken and then take the average of the two to get the compressive strength of this one specimen. So this is the part we use for fracture for compression strength after compression. Okay, we're now going to check the compression strength. For compression strength, we shall press it here. We set it to make sure it is in the center. After setting it, we come back this side. Just for fracture. Pause.